This new Duke stands out in its mechanical aspect for introducing the new LC4C engine, which is more powerful, lightweight, and efficient when compared to its predecessor. This version is a DOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 398.6 cc, featuring dual overhead camshafts and 4 valves per cylinder. The engine has a bore and stroke of 89 mm by 64 mm, a compression ratio of 12.71, and it delivers 45 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 39 newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. This engine offers an anti-rebound and assisted clutch, a traction control system, electronic throttle, street and rain riding modes, an improved and optional quick-shifter system, as well as standard throttle and launch control. Additionally, it complies with the new Euro 5+ regulations. We also highlight the liquid cooling and the Bosch electronic fuel injection system. The 6-speed transmission has been enhanced, and the total weight in running order is 168 kilograms. The fuel tank has a capacity of 15 liters, providing an average consumption range of 24 kilometers per liter or 92 kilometers per gallon. Its top speed can exceed 170 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, we can anticipate that this new engine will also make its appearance in a future Bajaj Dominar 400. Speaking about the selling price of this motorcycle in the global market, we can say that this new model has an official selling price in its country of origin of 310,000 Indian rupees, making it 5% more expensive than the BMW G310R and also 15% more expensive than the new TVS 310, all of which are Indian-made motorcycle models. In this context, we can say that this new Duke 390 could reach the worldwide market with a retail selling price exceeding 6,400 euros for the European market, around $5,500 for the American market, approximately 260,000 Thai baht, 310,000 Philippine pesos, 50,000 Chinese yuan, 780,000 Japanese yen, 120 million Indonesian rupiahs, 34,000 Malaysian ringgits, and 34,000 Brazilian reais. It's important to note that these figures are price estimates as of today and do not include registration or insurance costs.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.